Me too. Sounds good. Hey guys, it's Vess and welcome back to another vlogish type of thing for Inktober. So it's Inktober vlog basically. This time on this vlog you will be seeing me do some like Inktober, like some of the inking process of it, and basically like my explanation of why I chose like certain characters, and you know, just basically why I go with the Inktober theme. So hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so it's day one of basically Inktober. I got the Vincent one done. I did add like a couple of finishing touches to it, like if you can see. And the reason why I did this one for Poisonous is because Vincent has to tell his truth to, you know, basically the kingdom, and it's something that might disrupt the peace of the kingdoms. So I consider that to be a poisonous tongue. That's why I have him here with his skeleton and the crystal in his mouth, because that's like him telling his truth. What I did do that I don't think any other person did, or they probably did, but what I did was I did thumbnails of each word, like what I'm gonna do for each day to help me. There's some words that I'm like, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna draw, but at least some of the other days is going to be a lot more easier because I did think about them and just did like quick little thumbs. It's not like detailed or anything like that. It's just showing me like what I should do. So you can see like the first one, I have Tranquil, not Tranquil, but that's the second one. The first one is Poisonous, and you can see that I just did like the skull and then I made a face. And I was like, oh, it would have been nice if it's Vincent because he has to tell his truth again. So yeah guys, that is for a day one. We're gonna go on to the next day tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, so it's day two, and this time I did Fuji praying as Tranquil. So this is what we got. The younger version of her is very like, I say will be very calming and just guidance and always being, you know, the most humblest thing ever. So that's why I chose her for this piece. So tomorrow's gonna be day 3. And I almost didn't do today because I was streaming, trying to finish a couple of pages of social posts. I finished 2 pages. So as soon as I got off, I was like, I gotta do my Inktober. So yeah guys, I almost was not able to do this part. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Alright guys, day 3. I went ahead and I did Eva. This time she has like her flame powers. It's like a dark shadow flame powers coming out of her fist. And that is to cover roasted, meaning she's gonna hit somebody and roast their face. So that's what I did. Tomorrow is spell, so I will see you guys then. Hey guys, it's day 4. I got a headache because freaking I woke up too early and my brain is just on fire. But I did day 4, which is spell, and I did Magdalena from Celestial Pulse. She is casting a spell. She's a mortal sage, so she's able to manipulate her pulse in some other type of ways. You won't know till you read the book and find out. But yeah, just drew her. She looks gorgeous. And what I did is I added more to Eva so you can see that. But yeah guys, I will see you the next day. Guys, it's day 5 and this time I did chicken. So what I did was Aiden drinking a Chick-fil-A drink, you know, the lemonade they be having. He had a long day at the gym, I guess, and he went and got him some Chick-fil-A because it was at the gym. So that's what we have for today. Tomorrow is drawing, so I will see you guys then.
Hey guys, I am back with the next day, so you guys are not going to be able to see me sketch this one or draw it out because I'm at Comic-Con, guys, so check it out. So yeah, I'm out here, but I did day 6, which is drooling, and I did Vincent eating a strawberry. What? So yeah guys, I will see you in the next day. Next day is going to be the same sequence, so yeah. See you then. Well, hey guys, we're back. Day 2 of the con, but it is day 7 in Inktober. Check out what I did. I did Fuji. She's exhausted from training, so that's what we have. But yeah, guys, this time I'm not going to be drawing or anything like that. You know the gist. Maybe tomorrow. Well, definitely tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to be home. So, yeah, I will see you guys then.
Alright guys, so that's basically the 7 days. I didn't close out in the Comic-Con because it was just too much. Like, it was the worst Comic-Con ever. Like, seriously, like, I can't believe, like, how it was. But besides that, I did the whole week. It was pretty much really good. For the 7th day, I did, like, the 6th day, I went ahead and I was, you know, sketching and lining some of the stuff and doing the inking for Fuji's hair for the exhausted one. I don't know if that's counted as cheating, but I did it because I was bored. But I did do the finishing process, which was, you know, just basically the shading and shadowing, you know, the next day in the background. So I did complete all of the 7 days. So yeah, guys, I will be seeing you in the next Inktober vlog. If you like this video, hit that like. And if you're new here and you're like, Vess, I like what you do, go ahead, hit that subscribe, become a post, become one of our family members. I continuously do things like this and more. So yeah, guys, I will see you in Inktober, and let me know in the comments below how your Inktober is going. I would love to hear from you guys. So yeah, guys, definitely I will see you in the next video. Again, guys, remember that I stream 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time Fridays, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time Sundays, and Tuesdays is 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to see me stream or hang out with me, I'll be in Twitch, links down below, so definitely hang out with me there. Again, guys, thank you for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.